back to Rough Kitchen, guys. Thank you so much for coming over, and thank you so much for all the support that you have been giving me. Today I want to give a big shout out to somebody that I think is very real, very genuine. Her channel is amazing, and I'm talking about Marie Cameron. She does cleaning motivations, and also sometimes she cooks also. So if you don't have her, please go to her channel, give her some love, and I'm pretty sure she will appreciate it. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken parmesan. So if you wanted to learn how to get it done, if you want to stay here and learn how to Rough Kitchen execute this recipe, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notification, guys. And if you want more recipes like these, or you have an idea of something that you would like me to make for you, let me know and I will make it happen for you. Let's not lose any more time and let's get to the recipe. These are the amazing ingredients that we're going to be using on today's recipe to make an amazing dish. Right here we have some breadcrumbs, paprika, Parmesan cheese, chicken, milk, black pepper, all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, marinara sauce, salt. Alright guys, our chicken parmesan is already done. It's ready to be served. I really like this dish, guys. I try it and it tastes delicious. I would really recommend for you to make this at home. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, guys. And if you want more videos like this, let me know and I will make it happen. Don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe. And don't forget either to go to Marie Cameron channel to give her some love. I will see you next time with another episode on Raf Kitchen.